Hey guys, what's up? I'm Priyanka and welcome back to my channel. So this is a very short and quick video wherein I'll be telling you things that you should not do during this quarantine or lockdown period. And we have a lot of free time right now, and our minds, they're just traveling everywhere, whether you should do this, do that, or just like a lot of things. And in this video I'll just be sharing with you guys 4 simple things which I personally think that you should definitely not do this period of time. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Now the first thing that you should never do is compare. I'm sure with the current period right now, all of us are super active on our social media accounts like Instagram, Facebook, and we see a lot of people doing a lot of things like knitting, then learning how to play guitar or ukulele, or learning how to cook and everything. And this time I would urge you to not compare yourself with others, because you do not know the situations that they are in. I mean, the mom must be helping them cook, right? And that's why they're posting such great pictures, or they're learning it from YouTube. However, in your case, you may not have all the essential things needed, or you may be staying in a PG or a rented home whatsoever. So yeah, do not, it's okay if you don't know how to cook. It's okay if you're not learning anything new, and it's okay if you're not posting something on the other every day as well. But it's not okay for you to compare yourself with others and then get demotivated. So that's the first and foremost thing. The second thing is quite contrary to the first one, that is, do not overdo. Now, I'm sure we have a lot of time right now, and we just want to do something new. Let's take example, we want to work out, yeah. So we go online, we see some workout videos, and we be like, oh, that's easy, I'll work out. This is the time I have right now, I'll be fit. And we do, we start doing jumping jacks and squats, everything. But do it in a limited period of time. Do it for 30 minutes a day, do it for 40 minutes a day. But just because you think you have a lot of time, I would suggest you not to overdo it, because then you will feel exhausted on the first day itself, and you wouldn't actually be motivated to do that in the second day or to continue it any further. So yeah, that's my second point, do not overdo things. Now the third thing that you should not do during this period of time is change your sleep cycle. I know a lot of you would not agree with me, because you're like, we have a lot of free time, so why can't we sleep late and wake up late? And it's okay if you can do that, but the thing is, like, I would be lying if I said that I didn't do it myself, because my the initial sleep cycle was from 12 to 6, and now it is 8 a.m. to 3 o'clock. I know this is really bad, and even I'm trying to change it, because see, right now we don't know when all of this thing is going to end, because I think the lockdown period will probably end next week, but then again we never know, because due to the situation right now it may extend more. We cannot be sure, right? And when we adjust ourselves to the present sleep cycle, that is from morning till afternoon time, then our body will get adjusted to it eventually. And then one day when all of this thing ends, and when we have to return back to our normal routine or the normal cycle, the job hour, it will be really difficult for us to do that. And yeah, that is why do not change your sleep cycle at all. And now the fourth and the last thing that you should not do is panic. I mean, this is a pandemic, and we see a lot of news reports. The numbers are rising every day for COVID cases, but right now all we gotta do is trust our government, because they are taking all the possible steps, that to make this world a disease-free country. They're doing everything in their power, and right now all we need to do is stay at our homes, be calm, and just follow the directions, and that's it. And panic is not really going to help in anything, because when we panic we often make wrong decisions. So yeah, and yeah, that's all about today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. And if you see a little change in the camera angle, it's because my battery died and I had to shoot all of it again. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and I wasn't really sure to put it out, because who would want to listen me blabbering? But anyway, I decided to do it for the sake of my content, and I just hope you find this video a little bit of helpful, and whatever you section. I'd love to read good, bad, whatever it is. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and if you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And yeah, stay safe everyone. Bye.